In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform to Google Sheets. This is a quick and straightforward process that will take just a few moments of your time. By the end of this guide, you'll have your Typeform responses automatically populating your Google Sheets, making data management and analysis a breeze. So, let's jump right in and get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Typeform website by entering www.typeform.com into the address bar. Once the homepage loads, you'll notice a login button situated conveniently at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that to begin the login process. It's essential to ensure you have your login credentials on hand. You can choose to log in using your email address, or if you've previously set up your Typeform account with third-party authentication services such as Google or Microsoft, feel free to use those options as well. Enter your email and password if you're logging in with an email. After you have entered your details, confirm your login by clicking on the Login button and you'll be directed to your Typeform dashboard. With your Typeform account now accessible, the next step is to select the specific form you wish to connect with Google Sheets. Take a moment to identify which form's responses you want to export, then click on it to highlight your selection. Once you have chosen the correct form, we will need to navigate to the Connect tab. The Connect tab is where we'll be handling all our integration settings. Within this tab, locate and click on the option that reads Integrations. Here you'll find several integration options offered by Typeform. Among the listed integrations, search for the Google Sheets integration. Go ahead and select this option to proceed. It's an important step because it sets in motion the process of linking your Typeform to Google Sheets. At this juncture, you will be prompted to log into your Google account. This step is essential as it grants Typeform the necessary permission to access your Google Sheets. Follow the on-screen instructions to input your Google account credentials and authorize the access. Following the authorization, you'll need to decide how your Typeform responses will be organized in Google Sheets. You have the flexibility of creating a new Google Sheet specifically for your Typeform responses, or selecting an existing sheet where the data will be imported. For those opting to use an existing sheet, there's an additional step. Paste the URL of the spreadsheet where prompted. Finally, conclude the process by clicking the Connect or Activate button. This action finalizes the integration and you should now see that your Typeform responses are linked to Google Sheets. Congratulations! You've successfully connected Typeform to Google Sheets, streamlining your data collection process.